Hi, my name is Pat Harkness, VP of Distributed Product Sales. We are here live at our M-Cube Solutions Center at our corporate headquarters in Aurora, Illinois. We are here today to present to you our summer promotion, which is effective June 1st through August 31st. We have many new features inside of this promotion, such as discounts up to 35%, bulk buy opportunities, our new SJ surface roughness packages, as well as free shipping on many of our larger items. During this current time, we know business does not stop and precision and quality must be maintained. And we at Mitutoyo are committed to support your needs. To the left of me, I have Mr. Mike Rosenbach to talk about our 6-foot carbon fiber caliper.
Hello, I'd like to show the carbon fiber caliper just to give an example, an idea of how easy to use this versus a stainless steel caliper. One of the features that we don't always discuss is the spring-loaded feature of the read head. This helps to make consistent readings across different components and between different operators. Some of the other features of the carbon fiber calipers include
SPC output, preset and offset buttons for direct reading of ID measurements, as well as an IP66 dust and coolant resistance rating.
Here we are in our distribution center in Aurora, Illinois. We have a fully stocked warehouse here in the US and our deep lines of more than 8,500 products to support your needs. We're introducing a bulk buy discount program of our most popular items. As an example, the 500-196-30 Digimatic Caliper, our most popular item, with a 10% discount off a standard list for carton quantities of 25-piece increments.
We also have digital and mechanical versions of micrometers, calipers, and indicators with bulk buy discounts up to 15%, as well as SJ-210 surface roughness testers with a discount of 10% when you buy in quantities of 5. Let's go back in the showroom to discuss other SJ-210 package discounts.
While we're not going to be able to discuss every single item in this 28-page promotion, we would like to discuss a few items that we had developed for this promotion, such as the SJ-210 surface roughness package promotion. This promotion includes a free detector as well as 50% off of the calibration of the specimen that comes with the SJ-210, calibrated here in our A2LA accredited laboratory in Aurora, Illinois. Moving on, Mike would like to discuss 2 other packages.
The next one we have is our height gauge package, which in addition to the SJ-210 includes the adapter and a 12-inch height gauge, which can be used to adjust vertically the detector for positioning on various components. The third one that we have is the wireless transmitter package, which will, in addition to the SJ-210, come with a wireless transmitter and a free wireless receiver.
The SJ-210 is a durable, portable surface roughness tester with menus that are easy to navigate, a color backlit LCD, and in one trace has the ability to toggle through multiple parameters if needed.
I'm standing in front of one of our 2 fully staffed repair centers. The second location is in City of Industry, which is just outside of LA. Also included in the promotion is a lot of our data management hardware, including our DP1VA, which allows you to print, save, and send data. Sending data to things such as Excel or our MeasureLink software, which is designed and developed here in Aurora, Illinois. Mike would like to discuss a little bit about our inside measurement devices, which has discounts up to 20%.
So in our summer promo, we also have 3 pages of 3 contact style bore gauges. The first being our spring-loaded boromatic style with titanium nitride coated pins plus a rotating head so it's easy to view at any angle. The other type we have is the micrometer-based Digimatic Holtest system, as well as the mechanical Holtest and the Holtest Type 2, which have hardened steel heads.
As you've heard, we are fully staffed to handle repairs, calibration requests, field service, and customer service needs.
Our demo and solutions support capabilities have added the offering of virtual assessments via video conferencing to explore your unique challenges, needs, and applications. If you've needed to shift your manufacturing focus or processes to create new vital applications, we can provide expertise and support to help you successfully measure any application.
Our focus is to support your continued success during these challenging times as we move forward and get back to business.